Hey everyone. The smartphone market in late 2025 is packed with powerful flagships, but few devices take such different approaches to the same goal as the Realme GT 8 Pro and the OnePlus 15. Realme's device is positioned as a bold comeback, full of experimental ideas, extreme hardware numbers, and distinctive design flourishes. OnePlus, meanwhile, focuses on refinement, balance, long-lasting battery life, and an overall polished experience without chasing spec sheet glory. Both phones offer strong value, but the experience each delivers appeals to very different users. The Realme GT 8 Pro stands out immediately, with one of the most unusual hardware concepts on a modern smartphone, an interchangeable camera module. Buyers receive both a circular and a square camera bump in the box, along with a miniature Torx screwdriver, allowing them to swap the layout themselves. Combined with a textured vegan leather, back in colors like urban blue or dairy white and a sturdy metal frame, the GT 8 Pro's design is bold, expressive, and unmistakably different. Its grip-friendly texture and premium haptics make it feel more upscale than many previous Realme devices. The OnePlus 15 takes the opposite approach. Rather than drawing attention, it adopts a clean and understated aesthetic, especially in the matte black finish. The chalkboard-like rear texture resists scratches and wipes clean easily, while the flat edges and balanced weight give it a confident, familiar feel in the hand. Its new pulse key replaces the famous alert slider, offering customizable shortcut functionality similar to Apple's Action button. Realme treats the display as a showpiece. The GT 8 Pro's 6.79-inch Quad HD pushes brightness to an astonishing 7,000 nits peak, making it one of the brightest smartphone displays ever. Even in typical conditions, it reaches around 2,000 nits, ensuring excellent outdoor visibility. With 144 Hz refresh, HDR Vivid, HDR10+, and Dolby Vision support, the screen is bright, colorful, and deeply responsive, making it especially appealing for gaming and media consumption. The OnePlus 15 may not match that extreme brightness, but it still offers a superb viewing experience. Its natural color profile, sharp resolution, excellent contrast, and top-tier outdoor visibility make it a screen that simply works well in every scenario. Its ability to scale up to 165 Hz refresh rate gives it a slight edge in supported games, and the everyday UI navigation feels fluid and effortless. Inside the GT 8 Pro is the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, a chip capable of chart-topping performance. In short bursts, the phone hits incredibly high benchmark scores and shows the potential of its powerful CPU and GPU combination. However, Realme's thermal limits are conservative. The OnePlus 15 uses the same Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, but handles it differently. Instead of chasing the highest peak numbers, OnePlus focuses on sustained performance and thermal stability. Even after an hour of gaming, the phone maintains smooth frame rates without getting overly warm. Oxygen OS on Android 16 is another strength, offering a clean, fast, and familiar layout with excellent optimization and a restrained approach to built-in AI features. Realme sets up the GT 8 Pro with a highly ambitious camera system featuring a 50 megapixels main, a 200 megapixels periscope telephoto, and a 50 megapixels ultra-wide. The Ricoh partnership adds artistic shooting modes and unique color science. Video options are extensive, including 4K at 120 frames per second, 8K recording, and even 10-bit log capture. The OnePlus 15 takes a more grounded approach. Its camera system is not designed to win spec wars, but instead aims for consistency. In daylight, photos appear natural, with balanced colors and realistic skin tones. The ultra-wide and telephoto lenses complement the main camera well in bright conditions. Low-light photos are softer and less detailed than the best competitors, and video quality drops notably in dim environments. Battery longevity is where both phones excel, but in different ways. The Realme GT 8 Pro packs a massive 7,000 mAh battery, paired with 120-watt wired and 50-watt wireless charging. In real-world use, it can comfortably last 2 full days, often reaching 12 to 13 hours of screen-on time. The OnePlus 15 goes even further with a 7,300 mAh cell, one of the largest ever in a mainstream flagship. Its endurance is exceptional, typically stretching to a day and a half or 2 days, depending on usage. Choosing between them depends on priorities. The Realme GT 8 Pro is the more exciting and feature-packed device, perfect for enthusiasts and spec chasers. The OnePlus 15 is the more practical and consistent option, suited to users who want excellent performance, long battery life, and a mature software experience without gimmicks. Both succeed, but in very different ways. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and see you soon.